Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I make homemade rumchata. I mean, these big bottles, they can be a bit expensive. I usually have a little bit in a can of root beer. It just kind of makes it taste like a root beer float. Not enough to do anything to me. I just love the flavor. Could I do it without the liquor? Probably, but would it change the taste? It might. So I just stick to everything that I think work together and it tastes right. This tastes pretty close to rumchata. I love the cinnamon flavor. I love horchata flavors, and you mix it in with some root beer. It's great. If you're looking for maybe a bit of a lower calorie type of drink, in this recipe it's sugar. You're doing a simple syrup. I do a sugar substitute, so I do a half a cup of a sugar substitute and half a cup of water. And I'm going to take this half cup of water and mix it in with my sugar substitute, and that's just going to mix up together a little bit. All right, so now that I have my simple syrup done, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Drop that in. I need just a pinch of nutmeg. So I just take a pinch, throw that in there. 3 teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 2. So far this is what it looks like at the moment. And this is Bacardi rum. You could do 2 cups if you like it strong, but to me it's perfect. Just 1 cup of rum. Pour that right in. We're going to do 3 cups of Dunkin Creamer. Now I've used heavy whipping cream. It's too thick and then it curdles. One thing that doesn't curdle and is not too thick but thick enough is Dunkin Creamer. It's perfect. I need 3 cups. Pour that right in. That's what it looks like so far. I'm gonna mix this up, give it a good mix, make sure all the cinnamon, sugar, and everything is mixed all together very well. There you have it. That is what it looks like. And I've kept my rumchata bottle. I wash it out, and then I just take a funnel, stick it in the top of here, and I pour it in. Now we have ourselves rumchata. Pour this in a glass. Absolutely delicious. No joke. So good. Like I said, I take a couple shots, put this in some root beer, and it tastes like a root beer float. Otherwise, you can drink this straight on the rocks. Tastes great. And that's it. Rumchata made with Dunkin Creamer. Who would have thought? Hope you try it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.